Here we have a 1993 Rover Mini Mayfair. Unusual car, this being an automatic variation, only 55,000 miles from new, one owner for 22 years, in storage for 10 years, and again offered in original specification. Subject to recent works amounting to circa £3,000, which cover head gasket, tyres, brakes, exhaust, water pump, along with a comprehensive service. It's even actually comes pleasingly complete with its original jack and wheel brace and rubber mat, which often get thrown away in these cars. So unusual, let's say long-term ownership. It's MOT tested, ready to go. Very unusual to see a car that hasn't been painted, welded, everything else, especially with the Minis, because they were sort of prone for various issues. But this has been a good survivor. Worth pointing out that whilst the paint's largely original, there are a few little blemishes on the car. We can see along the top of the sills there, a few around the doors, a couple of little touch-up points and so on. But there's none of the signs of the obvious bubblings around the A-posts and around the front of the wings that we normally get associated with these cars. So I've had a look at the floors as well, they're all solid. Recent works have been completed to the subframe, again, which is one of the favourite spaces they've been done. But and all the sills and underneath the car look in good order. Recently subject to a new exhaust, but I would say one thing with this car, there is a little blow on the manifold, which just wants sort of nipping up. What a nice place to be in here. Totally original interior, factory specification. Nothing's been altered. It's got correct dashboard, door cards, seats. Obviously there's some aftermarket overmats in here. It is indicating 55,000 miles, which we can guarantee that. Headlining's all good, none of the door cards have been drilled. You can even see the wear on the steering wheel, there's really nothing at all. Pedal rubbers, really nice condition, ready to go. Let's have a look in the boot. Have a look in the boot, see what's in here. Okay, right, we've got a few little spare parts, like some soundproofing, air filter, a few little bits and pieces, radius arm repair kit. There's the rubber mat I was alluding to, which has always disappeared. Seems a seat cover in there, spare wheel, jack and wheel brace, nice little touch. Let's have a little look under here. Right, there's an engine in there after all. Yeah, as you can see, nice, clean and tidy. Nothing's been siliconed or prepared. It's just as it is, but still got its original airbox on with a little SU carb. Again, they're very sort of sought after these because there's different camps of people who like the SU carb or like the single point injection. But as it's a traditional Mini, a lot of people favour the single point, the carburettor, the SU carburettor, which this has got. Quite lively little performance really for 1275cc engine. So there we are, everything done, ready to go.